Hi, this is Cherrie with the Cherrie and Zach team over here at NextHome Real Estate Rockstars. Reverse prospecting, and what does that mean for you as a home seller? Reverse prospecting is a wonderful tool that I can use as a listing agent in marketing your home. Through the MLS, I can receive a list of all of the agents who have saved buyers in the MLS that match the criteria of your home. We're able to reach out to each agent and offer them a chance to show the home or send their client to the open house. We email, call, and text message them, inviting them to the open house. And if they don't plan on showing their home and the buyer plans on passing on seeing the home, we ask for feedback on why. Why does the client not want to see the home? Is there anything we could do to encourage them to view it, or anything we can do to enhance the home to make it more appealing to those buyers? We send an email that sounds something like this. Hi, my name is Cherrie with the Cherrie and Zach team over here at NextHome Real Estate Rockstars. We have a new listing that just hit the market. Through reverse prospecting in the MLS, it indicated you may have a buyer for this home. Do you plan on sending your client to the open house this weekend? Do you have any plans to show this home? And if not, could you please provide feedback on why you will not be showing this home? Our sellers will greatly appreciate any feedback you can provide to us in the near future. Look forward to hearing from you. Now, that email is highly effective. We typically get responses from that email. And if we don't, we also will text message and call. The whole point is to get as much foot traffic through your home as possible to make sure we can get the most amount of money for your home. Reverse prospecting is a tool that not a lot of agents know about or know how to use. Hiring us, we make sure we do it on all of our properties. Hope this helps. We'd love to interview for the job. Have a great day.